Going again, it's our first class feedback with another gcss-army video. So tonight we're going to talk about the T code VL06I. This is to tell you maintenance managers what parts you have at the SSA and ready for pickup. This comes extremely important when it comes to prioritizing your work, especially for O2 parts when it comes to pacers and ERC A, ERC P. So you know for pacers 24 hours, ERC A 72 hours. So with that said, you're able to forecast what's at the SSA, send your clerks, and prepare the equipment to be worked on when the parts arrive. So for this T code, we're going to go into gcss-army here, VL06I. Alright, goods receipt. So I showed y'all how to set up a variant in one of my previous videos. If you don't have a variant set up, all you do is you would type in your S slopes here. But I'm going to go up here and get my variant. Alright, get. Now, when you share a variant, if you do have a variant, if you clear the person who's entering the variant that you created, just make sure they clear your ID number. You're good to go. Alright, so you're going to execute. Now, I like to pull this a certain way. So this is all the data raw here. I always view item view. This tells me what the part it is. All right. So it also tells you the S slopes on the inside here. So one thing that the clerks fail to do is clear this out, and I'm going to show you. So if you scroll all the way down, right, we still got stuff sitting on here from January 4th. Now this is a vendor part number. I'm going to do a separate video to show you guys how to actually post goods receipt this or PGR, because you can't actually do it from here. You actually have to do it a certain way. But this is where you can see what equipment or what parts you have for the equipment that may be on your ESR right here. Now you can print it and so forth, but this is how you pull the report. And like I said, it comes in extremely handy. And one thing that's nice, if you do have a part that's coming in for bench stock or shop stock or has a bin location, it will actually give you the bin location in the VL06I, so your clerks already know that that has been identified as stock. So hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe and go Ordnance.